here this afternoon for Crowns for Cures. We decided to team up with the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society in a 10-week fundraising campaign with our goal to raise $200,000, which is why we're here.
Hi, I'm Georgia. I had leukemia twice. One time I was 5 and then again when I was 9. And I got over it, like over this fall. And so I'm really happy.